Hello guys, welcome to my channel Trading Chart Patterns. So now I am analyzing this stock BPCL. If you will watch this stock carefully, you will find out that this stock was taking support of this trend line, and today this trend line support is broken. Okay, and this stock has this level as a resistance. The stock was trading in a channel, and now what? The stock is actually taking support of this 430 rupee psychological level and 430 rupee support, which was valid on 11 June, 12 June 2018 to you can say 5 August 2020, 10 September 2020. Okay, and now the stock has given a bearish sort of a closing. What can happen tomorrow? Until or unless the stock goes above 441, we won't take a buy position in this stock. Okay, what can happen tomorrow? Tomorrow, if the stock takes resistance at this trend line, okay, around 437, 438, or around 440, and then starts to fall, then you will short this stock in the first 15-minute candle. Okay, if the first 15-minute candle is bullish, then we will wait and see how the stock is reacting around 440. And if the first 15-minute candle is bearish, and after opening around this region, if the stock starts to come down below this trend line, then you can short this stock for target of 430 again. And if you want to see the Fibonacci levels for this stock, then let's see the Fibonacci levels. Let's suppose this was swing high and this was swing low and this was swing high. Okay, and currently the stock took support here once. Okay, and it break down this support. What can happen tomorrow? If the stock continues its further fall, then you can see a target of 424.9 rupees or 425 rupees. If the stock goes below 430, you will definitely be able to see 425 rupee low tomorrow. Okay, and if the stock takes this level as resistance 438.15, then you can short this stock for the target of 424 in intraday or 430 target. Okay, around 438 you can short this stock for 430 target. But remember, watch this stock carefully, as this stock has given a you can say gap down opening, and then it fell from this levels. I see a very bearish sort of a pattern for this stock. But if the stock opens gap up above 440, okay, above 440, then you should not trade this stock tomorrow. Okay, if the stock opens above 440, then you should not trade this stock tomorrow, because it can be a very tricky sort of a day if the stock gives a gap up opening. If the stock takes resistance around these regions, then you can short this stock, because now this support is broken, so these levels will act as a resistance. Okay, and if you will take this as a swing high for the stock, then also 441 rupee will act as a strong resistance for this stock. Okay, and if the stock manages to go below 429, then 416 is available for this stock. So as I clearly told you, below 430 you can short this stock. So if you switch the swing highs, okay, you will see that below 429 you can assure that 425 will be seen tomorrow. Okay, so what do I mean by 429 here? Let any 15-minute candle close below 429, and then you should short this stock below that low. Below the low of that candle you will short this stock for the target of 424.25, whichever you can take that as a target. Okay, thank you for watching.